Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. Register for Stellar Talent Search exam for class 7 to 12. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Prudent.
8 ते 13 जानेवारीमेरेन गोंयांत दिव्यांगां खातीर आंतरराष्ट्रीय पर्पल फेस्ट जाता. 2000 प्रतिनिधींची नोंद जाल्यात. आंकडो 6000 मेरेन वचूं शकता.
As of today, we have received the delegate registration of around 2000 and we expect it to go around over 6-7,000. आमचे पर्पल फेस्टिवलाक आमी एक 22 brand ambassador in each of the disability sector we have announced.
खर्च 15 कोटी. दिव्यांगांक सहज वचपाक मेळटले अशे हॉटेलाचे 400 रूम पळयल्यात.
The government of Goa has made a budget allocation of 10 crores. Plus we have this Purple Festival in collaboration with central government. The central government has sanctioned around 5 crores for this. The total budget would be 15 crores.
फुडल्या वर्सासान दिव्यांगां खातीर वेगळे खाते म्हणून सुभाषान माहिती दिली.
So this is the purpose behind getting a new department formed, and the Honorable Chief Minister is taking initiative. I mean, he is always tracking these files that where it has reached, and very soon we will have a separate department for this. And हातून भितर पसून जावपाक शकता within the Purple Festival आसा न्ही तातून भितर we can have this department formed.
प्रुडंटा खातीर चेतन गावस.